That is question 141, which says flame cells are found in. Flame cells, they are excretory as well as osmoregulatory structure. Regulatory structures of members of phylum Platyhelminths, also known as flatworms. So first option, that is earthworm, cannot be our answer since it belongs to phylum Annelida and they have nephridia as their excretory structure. Second, that is roundworms belonging to the phylum Aschelminthes and they have rennet cells as their excretory structure. So this cannot be our answer. Option third, that is tapeworm, which is a member of phylum Platyhelminths and they have flame cells as their excretory as well as osmoregulatory structure, making option 3 as the answer for our question. And option 4, that is hookworm. Hookworms are members of phylum Aschelminthes which have rennet cells as their excretory structure. So this cannot be our answer. So let's proceed to our next question. That is question 142. Which says which of the following is correct regarding Aschelminthes, also known as roundworm. So first option says pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom means false coelom. False coelom क्या मतलब हो रहा है? Means there is a body cavity which is present between the body wall and gut, but it is not completely lined by the mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present in form of pouches. So here mesoderm is present in form of scattered pouches in coelom. So then there is organ level of organization. This is incorrect regarding Aschelminthes since they have organ system level of organization, not organ level of organization. Organ level of organization में क्या होता है? There is organs performing different function, but organ system level of organization में क्या होता है? Numerous organ they work together to achieve a common goal. Like अगर हम बात करें digestive system की, जिसमें stomach एक organ है, intestine है, liver है, and all these organs they work together to help in the digestion of food. So Aschelminthes, they have organ system level of organization, not organ level of organization. So they have organ system level of organization. Then there is muscular pharynx. These organisms are having muscular pharynx. So this cannot be an answer since it is saying it has organ level of organization. Option 2 says pseudocoelom, muscular pharynx and nephridia for excretion. Nephridia are the excretory structure of annelids, not Aschelminthes. So this cannot be our answer. Option 3 says pseudocoelom, muscular pharynx and with dioecious members. With dioecious members means the sexes are separate with distinct male and female forms. So option 3 is correct regarding the Aschelminthes and is also the answer for our question. Option 4 says pseudocoelom, blind sac body plan and organ system level of organization. This cannot be our answer since Aschelminthes, they have complete digestive system, means they have separate opening acting as mouth and anus. It's a complete digestive system, and they have tube within tube body plan. Tube body plan, not blind sac body plan. Blind sac body plan में क्या होता है? There is single opening which is acting as mouth and anus, and this kind of body plan is found in the organisms having incomplete digestive system like flatworms. So next question, that is question 143, which says both Parapodia and Cetae are found in. Parapodia and Cetae, they are locomotory structures which are commonly found in members of phylum Annelida. So option first saying Pherecyma, which is the scientific name for earthworm, and earthworm, it lacks Parapodia. It has Cetae but it lacks Parapodia. So this cannot be an answer. Option 2 says Nereis, which is also known as ragworm, and Nereis has both Parapodia and Cetae as its locomotory structure, making option 2 as the answer for our question. And option 3 says Hirudinaria, which are leeches, and leeches, they lack both Parapodia and Cetae. So third option stating leeches, they lacks both Parapodia and Cetae. So option 3 cannot be an answer. And option 4, that is Aplysia, is a member of phylum Mollusca and it lacks both Parapodia and Cetae. So this cannot be an answer. Next question, that is question 144, which says in mollusk, a rasping organ known as radula is present in their buccal cavity. It contains transverse rows of teeth to rasp food into fine particle. Radula basically help in rasping the food particle from a surface, and it is present in, question में hint दे दिया, like radula is present in the members of phylum Mollusca. So we have to select the organism belonging to the phylum Mollusca. Option first, that is Pherecyma. Pherecyma is scientific name for earthworm and they belongs to phylum Annelida. So first belongs to phylum Annelida. This cannot be an answer. Pila, which is common name for snail, and it belongs to the phylum Mollusca and is the answer for our question, since it has radula as a rasping organ. Option 3 says Periplaneta. Periplaneta is a scientific name for cockroach, which belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. So this cannot be an answer. And option 4, that is Echinus, which belongs to the phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata. So option 4 cannot be an answer. Next question, that is question 145, which says in which of the following arthropods book lungs help in respiration? You know that the members of phylum Arthropods, they have numerous respiratory structures like tracheal tubes, gills, book lungs. So we have to select the arthropod having book lungs as their respiratory structure. And you know that the book lungs are the respiratory structures of the members of class Arachnida, which includes spiders and scorpions. So option first, that is prawn. Prawn is an aquatic organism and it respires via gills. So this cannot be an answer. Option 2, that is scorpion, which belongs to the class Arachnida and it has book lungs as its respiratory structure. So the correct answer for this question is option 2. Option 3 and 4, that is locust and butterfly, they belongs to the class Insecta and they have tracheal tube as their respiratory structure. So this cannot be an answer. So scorpions, they have book lungs as their respiratory structure.